Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Jai Radha Kunj Bihari Radha Kunj Bihari Radhe Radhe Jai Radha Kunj Bihari Radha Kunj Bihari Radhe Radhe Jai Gandharvika Giridhari Gandharvika Giridhari Gaura Hari Jai Gandharvika Giridhari Gandharvika Giridhari Gaura Hari Jai Lakshmi Narasimha Jai Ananta Dev Lakshmi Narasimha Jai Prahlad Maharaj Jai Lakshmi Narasimha Jai Ananta Dev Lakshmi Narasimha Jai Prahlad Maharaj Jai Panchatattva Jai Panchatattva Panchatattva Jai Panchatattva Jai Panchatattva Jai Panchatattva Panchatattva Jai Panchatattva Jai Prabhupada 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 Jai Prabhupada Jai Prabhupada हरिनाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ की जय, प्रभुपाद की जय और गुरु ईष्ट समृद्धि होती है। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। शलाकया चक्षुषमिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपा कलामयं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतापदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवंश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगना रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितं च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशधारिणे। वाञ्छकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna. So last time we
Recap of Prabhuji. You can do the recap, Prabhuji.
you want to recap a quick one?
Okay, sure.
Prabhuji is very nicely, sincerely going through the previous lectures. So
Yeah, so Guruji, like we started with, you know,
Mike, Prabhuji, can you pass the mic?
yeah, like we started reading, we saw like initially like various different ashramas are there. So basically like ashram means to take ashray, to take, you know, the shelter of Krishna. So then we saw like contrast of Grihastha ashram with various different ashram. There are like pros and cons of like one ashram versus other. And I think the Grihastha ashram is the only ashram like where earnings are allowed. So therefore, you know, like one of the most important duty of the Grihasthas is to, you know, do charity so that, you know, the other three ashrams can be supported. And yeah, I think Grihastha ashram is like mutual cooperation between two people, like as per the like Vedic scriptures. So like one has to, you know, work for the pleasure of Krishna. So it's, you know, like the progression from Privritti Marg to Nivritti Marg. So Privritti Marg is like, you know, satisfying own senses versus, you know, Nivritti Marg where you try to, you know, satisfy Krishna's senses. And yeah, like purpose is to gradually develop independence from the material desires to, you know, increase dependence on Krishna. And then yeah, we saw like progression of, you know, yoga where like, you know, vikarmis do wrong things for the wrong reasons, then karmkandis do right things for the wrong reasons, and then there is karma yoga and gyan yoga.
Close up.
Yeah, karma yoga and gyan yoga for like where people do right things for right reasons, and then bhakti yoga is like doing everything for Krishna. And then yeah, like there are like various commitments before we enter into Grihastha ashram. Like we take like seven vows. So like the seven vows are like first is whatever you do, like do it together, be it dham visit, charity. And then, you know, second is like take each other's opinion in the important decisions. Third is like respect each other's family. Fourth is like whatever be the ups and downs of the life, be together. And then fifth is like you take responsibility. Like before marriage we may not be irresponsible, but now we are like, you know, married, so we have to be responsible for each other. Then sixth is like gambling is avoided. This also covers, you know, like wife is not supposed to be like disrespected in front of anyone else. And then the last is like one should treat like all the women except one's wife as a mother. And then I think, yeah, there was one slide where we saw like 12 principles and values by Srila Prabhupada. And I think, yeah, after that we started seeing this GRACE acronym. So in the last class we read about, G, God centric, and then R is like roles and responsibilities, like what are different roles and responsibilities of, yeah.
What did we cover in God centric?
Yeah, God centric, like, yeah, where like, like one, it's like slow progression from I centric to, society centric, nation centric, and God centric. So there is a selflessness, but that selflessness slowly increases as we move towards the God centric. And that's what, like, the more selflessness would be there, more sacrifice will be there, more Krishna would be pleased, and that longevity of that, relationship would increase. And yeah, roles and responsibilities also, like, I think Prabhuji and Mataji like covered like how you should, share your duties, like principles are there, but like, according to the time, place, circumstances, like what are the various like responsibilities of Prabhuji and Mataji. So
Thank you so
Very
much.
nice, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so roles and responsibility. First of all, Hare Krishna to everybody. Hare Krishna. So roles and responsibilities, we saw that in today's time, how what we were practicing some 500 or 5,000 years ago cannot be just transposed to today's times. So how we have to be practical. So Vedic teachings might not be applicable in today's time, but we have to definitely stick to Prabhupada's teachings and principles. That is the key. It's not that, because this is a very sensitive matter, and everybody can have different opinions. Yesterday in a hurry we just tried to cover it. I just want to add a few points to that. That for working women, people may have different opinions. So I just want to clarify that first of all, a woman should not work under any pressure. That because of the social pressure, that housewives today are not considered anything, though they are working even more than the ladies who are working outside, but because they are not appreciated, just to show to people that they are also earning something and they are valued in the society, they should not take that pressure from the society and work. We should see what is our requirement at home. So first is, somebody should not work under pressure. Second is, if there is some need, financial need at home, and the wife is qualified, she can work. But if they are working, some points to be kept in mind are that the responsibilities at home are not ignored, because being a woman, we discussed that by nature they are more caring and compassionate, and they can take better care of children and the maintenance of home. So that should not be ignored. And if they are working, men should definitely help them in everything, carrying out their duties at home, as well as paying attention to their sadhana. That if she needs to chant, she's back from office, then husband should take care of the children that time, or help, making some bhoga, or whatever way he can help, he should do that help. It's not that if she's working, it's your desire, and now you have to take care of everything. So yeah, third thing is, she can work out of her desire also. But desire, if you work again, same thing has to be kept in mind, that your responsibilities at home are not ignored. Financial needs are there, you can work. Desire is there, you can work, you are qualified. But keeping in mind that we are not ignoring our family and our spiritual practices. This is Grasta Ashram. It should not be that we are going, 6 o'clock in the morning and coming back at 8 or something, and totally exhausted and no time for family, children, your sadhana, screaming at each other. That should not happen. So we should look for something, maybe online also. Today many girls are preferring that. And even if we go out for IT or something, we should look for a work which helps us in balancing both the sides. Okay, it should not be compromised. But if she is working, then the male partner, Prabhuji, should definitely be helping and understanding in that. Any doubts regarding this? Nothing? Prabhuji's, any doubts? Okay. So then we will move on to intentions.
So now like both the partners, they are carrying out their responsibilities, their duties, and they'll be engrossed in that, and there'll be sacrifices involved while doing their activities. So it may so happen that while I'm engrossed in my activity, the other my partner is engrossed in hers. I might not focus on the sacrifices that the other person is making, and so the activities might be ignored. One is the endeavor, and the other is the intention behind that. Why is one carrying out those duties? So if that is not the center point, then we might sometimes just end up looking at what are the things that are being missed out. If the other partner is doing something, and if something doesn't go right or as per my expectation, then I will start pointing out only those things. So there might be lack of appreciation in the activities of the partner. So that is not good. When that happens, then it leads to frustration, conflicts. So because the person who is hearing such comments, the other partner will be thinking that I am doing all my best, I am trying to do everything that I can, and still it is not being appreciated, there are faults being found. So then that results into friction. So why does that happen? Like man and woman are two different bodies, correct? Both of them are unique individuals. Everybody has their own characteristics, nature, right? So so because of this gender differences, so because of this gender gap, there are bound to be differences. We cannot see each other on the same plane. That has to be understood. And then with that, when we move forward, then things become different, right? And
You had one question last time regarding this, right? Can you repeat that?
So Madhuji, the question was that if both of them are working, how to ensure that instead of forgetting the goal, which is cooperation, if that leads to competition, how can we avoid that?
So we just need to remember again what is our intention. Our intention was not to compete with each other. It was to help each other, carrying out our duties. We can have our early retirement plans or something. And the women maybe at home, she's just wasting her time. Just she's doing her sadhana, kids are grown up, or it can be any reason, and she's just wasting her time maybe on YouTube or chit chatting or something, and she feels like I can utilize my time in some better way, I can contribute to the society in some way. So those intentions again and again we have to introspect and remind ourselves that why did I start this, and the Prabhuji also should remember that why she is doing what she is doing. How it is helping me. She's putting some effort to help me, our family. So competition should not be there. It's not a healthy. Spiritual competition is allowed, but material competition definitely not allowed. That just results in ego clash and all. And in marriage, the partners are not meant to compete with each other. They are meant to complete each other. So wherever one is lacking, the other person can complete that. Complement each other or complete each other. Competition is not the term to be used in marriage. Okay? So we have to again and again remind ourselves of our intentions. That why we are working. We are working to serve the partner, not to serve myself. We understood it last time that fulfillment of our desires will not please Krishna. The sacrifices we undertake, that pleases Krishna. So this is kind of a sacrifice as per my qualification I am making to help my partner or my family, but keeping principles, Prabhupada's principles in mind, not ignoring my duties, not ignoring my spiritual sadhana and everything. So now, yes.
If one partner is understanding, other partner is not understanding, because there are many people ask like this. One partner is like they are helping in this, Prabhuji sadhana, Mataji sadhana, but other partner is taking it as granted. Okay,
Mm.
okay, she's doing or he's doing. Let it be it. Another partner is taking as granted and nicely using that.
Right. Yeah, that happens mostly. One person starts dominating. That is not healthy at all. If the partner who is understanding is able to convey this to his partner, then it's okay. Otherwise, they can seek help. We will cover all that up, how to engage in communication and when to seek help and everything. That is not healthy. If one person is exploited, no, that is not good. She will not last long then in carrying out her duties and her sadhana. It will affect her in every way, health, physical, mental, and all the levels. So we'll try to talk about that now, and you please mention it again if it is not covered up.
So let me say this common example, apples and oranges, we cannot compare. So like that, the partners are two different bodies, there are differences. Because of that, there would be gaps. How do we bridge those gaps? With a commonality, and that is the intention. Right? So if our goal is one, we have to please Srila Prabhupada, Guru Gauranga, right? With that, we walk and bridge the gap. So let's try to understand that through an exercise now. Um, Maybe we can, form like.
No, it's okay.
Okay. So both sides, Prabhujis and Matajis, will answer these two questions. First one is, what are the three strengths other gender brings to the relationship? So Prabhujis have to identify the three strengths of Matajis, and Matajis for Prabhujis.
Yeah, somebody can please write on the book.
And then the next question would be, what would you want your other gender to understand about your gender? Right? So like Prabhujis, what would you want Matajis to know about yourself?
And same thing for Matajis. What Prabhujis bring in your family, the strength, the positive thing he brings in our family. Because most of the time we forget the intentions what we talk and we keep blaming each other. I am doing so much, you're not doing this, you're not giving me time, you're not carrying out this duty, that duty. But we have to just understand what is their nature, what positives they bring in our family. And second thing, what is it? What do you want other gender to understand about you? About ourselves also, we want to convey something. So the 2 points, yes.
Matajis are very well organized actually. I mean, they keep things very clean.
You can write on
spick
one
and
side
span.
Matajis, one side Prabhujis.
So this is our opportunity to speak out
Glorify and let the other person know about us. Yeah.
with minimal repercussions.
Very straightforward, reproducing.
Matajis are very caring also.
Understanding.
Understanding, caring, understanding. Matajis don't have anything to say for Prabhujis. Huh?
Support.
Support system, yeah. Prabhujis support and strength to family.
Right now we are writing strengths only.
Maturity, like logical thinking. Yes, Prabhujis, that's it.
The strength is responsibility, Madhuri. They're responsible. Someone to run the family, they take the responsibility.
They take the
That is
responsibility.
strength.
More compassionate.
Caring, understanding, compassionate, loving. Okay, responsible. What else about Prabhujis? Huh? Long-term thinking, rational thinking, long-term thinking. That is very correct as per our scriptures also. That's why women are considered less intelligent. Sachidanand Prabhuji asked that question. Less intelligent just because we are thinking is restricted to a short term. But they plan for a longer time. And that longevity goes to our next life also, how we have to make our life successful. Yes, long-term thinking. Yes, Mataji's. प्रसादम नहीं बनाती हैं क्या Sumptuous prasadam. Yeah.
That is granted by default.
They're affectionate also. Madhuris are
Affectionate,
Caring.
affectionate, loving.
Yeah.
On those points.
Matajis are more multitasking. And they can
Wonderful point. Matajis are multitasking. That's a very important point. Yes.
Prabhujis are focused at one task at a time.
Yeah, one task at a time. Huh? If you give them responsibility to take care of the child for some time, they are working on the laptop, they will forget about the child. There was a video. Father is working on the laptop, mother went out, and the child is giving a cup of tea to father. You know, it was a game, and he is just drinking that. When mother came in, the tap is so high. How can he reach the water tap? How is he getting? And then she saw he's getting it from toilet. So he was so ignorant. What he is doing? Where is he playing? I mean, that doesn't sound good, but it can go to that extent also. Yeah.
Give samskaras to children.
Yes, give samskaras to children.
Yes, ma'am.
Mataji have more faith on God actually than men.
More spiritually oriented.
Spiritual, religious.
Yeah.
Faith.
Yeah.
Emotional-
Generally, they are more emotional,
Emotional connect.
sentimental, so they are more dependent upon the Lord, spiritually oriented.
Which is more practical.
The Bujis are more practical. Prabhuji near, so we are taking it so slow. As you can be sure, Prabhuji is there, we keep looking at the clock.
I am looking.
Yeah. So this is what we need to keep in mind. Whenever we start thinking negative, what are you doing? You're not doing this. I am doing everything. Remind yourself what Mataji or Prabhuji is doing for us. If Prabhuji is out of station for work reason or some family reason, what Mataji goes through, she should remember that time. Prabhujis, they provide us like a safety net. Something goes wrong, he's there to lean upon. So his role is very, very important in our family. We should not ignore that. And same thing for Prabhujis. I know they enjoy when Matajis go home, but definitely they miss out on Prashadam and the children. Matajis के साथ ही रहेंगे बच्चे. अगर बच्चे चाहिए तो माताजी भी चाहिए साथ में. So how they bring joyfulness in the home? They make it a home. A house is turned into a home because of Matajis. So we should remind ourselves of these points and appreciate each other from time to time. Now, Mataji, you can come. She has come. You can come now. Next point is, what do you want other gender to understand about your gender? We have expectations from each other, and those expectations are not met several times, and that results in conflicts. So we need to help the other partner understand about our nature. Prabhuji's nature is like this. Try to understand, they don't have any bad intention behind it. This is how they are meant to behave. So Matajis need to understand that. You can just put a 2 here, and that is 1.
We can draw a horizontal line and put under.
Just put 1 there on the top. That is for the
एक line खींच के नीचे से दूसरा section.
This is for the first part, and then for the second part we can write at bottom. Yes,
So
Prabhuji.
this is the time to express again, like what
This
we
is very,
want them
very
to know,
important.
what I'm doing, why I'm doing, what's the intention, but we might not be able to speak out.
They have higher ego.
Men have,
Higher ego, they get hurt very easily. Matajis can keep that in mind.
Last 2 points are common actually. I should say Prabhuji also is responsible for same.
Prabhuji is
Give
also,
samskar and more faith. Prabhuji also is equally responsible.
yes, is equally
we
responsible.
were just talking about
but-
the strengths.
But do they really do that? Because Matajis tend to generally contribute more towards giving samskaras to the children. Prabhuji can be more occupied or something, or they think that they will learn on their own. So yeah, definitely they both are responsible and they both have to do that.
Yes,
Yes,
exactly.
yes. So high ego. Yes, what else? Yes, Prabhuji.
Already covered in the previous one, so the long term. Like Prabhuji is thinking in long term, right?
Yeah.
While Mataji thinks short term. So
Oh.
that gives a very conflict. Like they don't
Mataji
know
also should think long.
what next. This immediately, this is the need.
Instant result they
So
want.
that if they understand that what is doing for good of the family, good for me. it might
I
be-
want something, but you're saying no, let's wait.
Yeah.
Looking to get something bigger,
But
Right.
but they
for
don't.
Prabhuji's only, we wrote long-term thinking,
No, for you, it will be Mataji, short-term thinking.
That Mataji will tell, but you should know about that. Now you have to tell all.
See, this is again rational, logical thinking. No? This is we just arrive at conclusions.
Yes, again we can repeat that, yeah. long-term thinking or longer vision they have.
Not expressive. Communication they lacking actually.
No, complaints are over now. But we can still add for Prabhuji.
I don't know where to
For
put this.
Prabhuji's
It's not
write
a
down.
strength.
Communication is not good. On the top part write down. After practical write down. Not good at communication.
No, but we are talking about strengths.
नहीं,
And
इस
what
बारे
do
में
they
add
want us to understand about our strengths? So this,
अच्छा, अच्छा.
we are not talking about complaints, because if we talk about that, we'll need several days.
Mataji's are better at communication.
That should go in second only,
Yes.
not first. All positive points are there at top, negative.
Not good at it.
It's not negative. That's what.
Improvement.
Huh.
Or expectation.
One is we are glorifying the other partner, and one is we want others to know what do we bring to the table.
Expectation.
So it's all about good strengths only. What we
But this is a point from Mataji, so let it. We will hold on to this. But Prabhuji's want to know. Do you want to tell this that we are not good at communication?
Yeah.
Huh? So don't misunderstand us. You want to convey that?
Low on emotions.
You want to convey that?
So the point is exactly, wives do not realize that whenever they have problem, they sing it out. But men are not able to share their heart because they keep the problems close to their heart. So women think they don't have any problem. Their life is very good, which is the problem. They don't understand that men also have problems.
Write it down, Mataji.
men are not very
Prabhuji's-
expressive, but
Prabhuji's,
doesn't
yeah,
mean
not
that they
very-
don't love.
Don't express their concern. Don't express their concern.
Don't express.
Huh?
They are grave.
Grave.
Don't express their concern. They are grave.
Doesn't mean they don't have it.
Mataji's are more
Prabhuji's
emotional.
have got so many things.
Mataji's are more emotional.
Now you tell about yourself.
Actually, Prabhuji have more tolerance. That's what I don't know how many of you That's the main complaint.
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Bhakti, I want to say that like say, men have got more responsibility not just from family but also from office actually. There's a lot of expectation. The bosses says they don't know.
They have high responsibilities. They want Matajis to know that they have high responsibilities.
Not just
I mean,
family,
today's time with both the partners working,
No, but say,
No, that's what they say.
Maybe technically, but say, women can say that they, you know, they can say no, right? Okay, I cannot
Yes,
work on
yes,
that, but
yes.
they are
Yes.
bound to do
eventual
that.
responsibility lies with the.
Yes. Mataji, what do you want other gender to know
Prabhuji's have
about
got
you?
so many things.
No, it's good. Please express everything.
Yeah.
It's the time now. We have to do that. Yes, Mataji, what do you want Prabhujis to know about yourself? Huh?
No, what
This is about
you all
yourself.
want,
No. About you.
what's your strength that you want Prabhuji's to know about you?
More emotional.
Or your nature, not just strength, your nature. That's some.
responsibility on both fronts. It is like
Okay, they also have high responsibility.
Mothers are working also.
They should understand that Matajis also have high responsibilities. Yes, anything else you want the other gender to know?
Don't express their concern.
Yes?
Don't express their concern.
Prabhujis don't express their concerns.
Mataji's also.
That's very important. They just expect. Yeah. Prabhujis की साइड पे लिख दीजिए grave. They are very grave.
Prabhuji
See.
should not take it granted. Mataji. Yeah, इसका सारा काम.
अभी हम first वाले में
In second way, they should understand they are taking their responsibility.
What do you want them to know about you? You are more understanding?
No,
Yeah.
मतलब we are taking our responsibility seriously. That he should understand.
Okay, so you also have high responsibility and you are more serious in your works. They should know
More
that.
patience actually.
More patience, more seriousness.
Not short tempered. They are not short tempered.
Matajis are not short tempered. I can't say that.
Prabhuji's are an illusion.
Yeah,
सब
maybe
माया है.
most of the Matajis are not short tempered. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Matajis are also sensitive by heart. So like sometimes what happens is like issues can get trivialized, especially because of like the different physical strengths of the two genders. Like sometimes like the same condition, both of them are suffering, but like Matajis, because of their nature and because of their physical strength, they might have a little bit of more suffering. So it will be nice if both of them don't trivialize the issues of the others.
So you need to understand that Matajis are more emotional.
Yeah.
Matajis
Expressive also.
Huh?
Expressive.
more emotional, more expressive. They say they are not expressing.
That's only.
Okay, we'll have a discussion about that. Then Prabhuji, do you want some time for yourself? Do you want to convey that to Mataji? That sometimes we are quiet because we want to have our time. You know, reading something or doing something. Mataji should not expect Prabhuji to be engaged in some talk or something with them all the time. Do you want to convey that? Does you have that problem? Yes. That is correct. Yes. Prabhuji want to have where alone time. That's it.
Me time,
It's a common thing. We need somebody to come and
Prabhuji
stand up for it.
need alone time. They need alone time. Alone time. They want to be alone for some time.
So there is a one shortcut solution. In Shastras it is mentioned on many examples. If Mataji just assume that Pati is Parmeshwar and by doing seva they can get everything, earth, moksha, everything is mentioned. If that is understood, all the problems solved. Pati is Parmeshwar, something Shastra says.
Okay.
Pati,
They should just
the first line itself
They
said
should
Pati
treat like
has to
that.
be Parmeshwar. First condition has to be met. Then the loop will go next.
Wife will be Sita if husband is Ram. Like Ram cannot be Sita and Ram. Like
Both sides we should write that. From Shastra.
Yes. So they should understand that Pati, actually Parmeshwar means Pati should be very responsible in his spiritual duties. No, we say that because family is dependent upon him. In our Shastras, they say that one should not become a father, a king, if he cannot deliver his dependents. So, are you taking responsibility that you will be serious enough to take them on that path? Then wife will follow you. That's what happens in our ISKCON society. Also, if Prabhuji is very advanced, very serious in his spiritual life, if wife just follows the husband, she can be liberated. Yeah. Okay, so what do you want us to write there, Prabhuji? That wife should listen to husband because he has good intention.
Should serve husband to please
The
husband.
supreme. Okay, please.
That
So I'll just like
should be
to
there to serve.
Okay.
So
Mood of
just-
service.
Mood of service.
I'd like to read Srila Prabhupada's purport in Srimad Bhagavatam 3rd canto, Lord Kapila Dev's teachings. In one of the shloka, Prabhupada says the relationship between man and woman is very complicated. But the substance is that one who aspires to ascend to the transcendental stage of spiritual realization should be very careful in accepting the association of a woman, or for both genders. In the stage of Krishna consciousness, however, such restriction of association may be slackened, because if a man's and woman's attachment is not to each other but to Krishna, then both of them are equally eligible to get out of the material entanglement and reach the abode of Krishna.
The
So,
person who is more spiritually inclined, spiritually strong, should have a stronger hold. No? Because if the other person falls down to lower consciousness, the partner should be able to pull him or her up, uplift him. Yes.
So that point maybe little personal or maybe
Yeah, whatever.
little, in terms of finances actually. So men whatever they earn is a common one. It's a common pool, right? They contribute to the EMIs and all, right?
Yes.
When Bangladeshis earn, they say no, I have earned it actually. Maybe
Yes,
Yeah, no,
that's
that's
very
true.
true, Prabhuji. It's my money, I will spend it for my, desires or whatever.
and that's
So
to your
Prabhuji
point of
pays the
responsibility,
bill
right?
and they are,
Prabhuji's
yeah.
overall responsibility.
Prabhuji earns to pay the bills and take care of family.
That is put in fixed deposit.
Mother just put in fixed deposit. What's wrong with
For
that?
family.
For family, fixed deposit is for family.
10 o'clock on the need to move.
We can't move that fast. Ask Prabhuji here. Yeah.
And
So-
sometimes Mataji's need break, especially when kids are small and she's too tired to take care.
Mataji's need break. Prabhuji's need to know that.
And Prabhuji also needs break.
Alone time
All
we
of us
already
need.
wrote. We wrote that alone time.
no, we understand, but it's difficult to take care of the kids.
You have to do your best. Sometimes, for some time you can do it.
So other point they think that husband is responsible to help, but the husband sometimes expect that they seek help.
Yes, that's very
Because
important.
you cannot overdo also, right?
Mhm.
Because it again depends on the nature of the Mataji, right? So somebody says that it is a default that I am in pain, so you should help me. But without asking, seeking help. But you know, so there is a risk.
So Prabhuji's want
Can I do
Mataji's
that?
to-
I cannot do it or what?
Yeah.
But
Prabhuji's want Matajis to know that they should ask for help. If they need any help, they should ask for it. They should not expect that they should know. Ask.
section.
Yeah, Prabhuji's section that Matajis, I don't Mataji should ask for help. This is what they want Matajis to know.
Expressing this.
Yeah, they should be expressive, not just expecting.
It's not like an automated system alert us snap aa gaya and we just know and we go and support. This should be expressive.
Okay, yes, I will just now discuss about it. So, what we generally understand is that women, Matajis, they have a stronger need for empathy and understanding. They are more sensitive. They are more caring, more understanding, more loving, more sensitive. And as Prabhuji said, they want Prabhuji to understand them without conveying the need. So they expect Prabhuji to do everything for them. And do we really want some solution from Prabhuji's most of the time? When we have a problem, do we approach Prabhuji to give us a solution, or we just want them to hear us? Hear us.
So
Right?
Prabhuji's are more
Mataji's-
like said, no, are rational. We always see things as a problem and how do we identify a solution to it. Engineering mind.
Yes, but
right?
Mataji being sensitive, emotional, they just need emotional support. They don't need solution all the time. But Prabhujis, they tend to give solution. And that results in conflict. She's like, just be here and listen to me, but Prabhuji will come up with solution and she's like, no, you're not understanding me. And then he'll be quiet and Mataji will say that you don't even participate in communication. You know, I'm asking you something, you're not saying anything, I'm telling you something. And then he's like, when I tell, you say that no, I'm not supposed to do that, I don't know what to do. So Prabhuji just go quiet. When they are quiet, we have a problem. When they speak, suggest something, we have a problem. You know, when they start preaching to us, we have a problem. Do we have that? I have that.
Everybody is nodding their head. So it's
Yeah, we
a
just
common problem, you know. As per Shastra, the definition of problem, not a common problem. This also should be added.
Yeah, Matajis just need, and Prabhujis are not no Krishna. They can't fulfill all our needs. So we need to understand that they are doing their best. As Prabhuji said, they are sacrificing their time, the finances, everything for the family. We need to understand that. But we want them to fulfill our desire, you know, how Paramatma should know our desires. Without expressing it, we want them to understand and come forward for helping us understand it. So that doesn't happen. We need to convey it to them, and Prabhujis should also understand that Matajis are reserved. They don't want a solution all the time. You know, they are more responsible. Yeah, whatever responsibility they take, they do it very seriously. But sometimes it can be very exhausting, and they just want you to be there and appreciate them. You just give an ear to them. And Matajis should understand that Prabhujis cannot be our female friend. So many times we need some guidance and want to share something, they are not showing any interest and we feel frustrated. You know, you're not participating, you're not acknowledging. So they don't have interest in all those gossips or whatever you call it, you know, female talks, village talk. They don't like to do that. So we need to understand that. That is their nature. You want to convey this to them? Some points which you missed out, I'm just trying to point that out, you know. So for all those needs, we should have a female friend. Prabhujis cannot fulfill all our needs.
That's the thing. I mean, like men are logical, right? Not that Mataji is not, but men are more logical, and logic doesn't work in relationship. So that brings all these conflicts, right? So we just need to be there to hear it out, have some patience, you know? And we'll still, even while listening to their problems, we'll try to, our mind will keep on trying to find solutions. And why don't you do this? This will be done. But
Communication.
so we just need to listen. And there was another, I think, a joke or video, something like that. You know, three-point formula. Just when the thing communication is happening, just respond like, okay, all right. If you just repeat these three, and men again, how they'll put this also in a loop and then we'll do something else. Okay. So, but that's the point. We just need to give a shoulder and ear, and that will solve most of the problems.
And instead of giving solution, you Prabhuji only said that yes, I can understand you. Mataji feel very satisfied and she's like, yeah, now everything is good. He understands me. You understand or not, most of the time you don't understand. It's just same.
That also Mataji will know. He's saying he understands. She knows that he doesn't. But that also gives a comfort.
But say it with some seriousness, yeah. Yes, so that helps her a lot. So, but we should always remind ourselves of the positive things they bring in our family, not just pinpointing the faults or what they are lacking. And alone time, yes, Prabhujis need alone time, some Mataji. We should not ask them to be with us, with the children every time. They come from office once in a while, they want some time, they want to go out, play some sport, it's good for their health, or they have any other hobby or anything, talking to their friend or family, we should give them some time. That this is his time. And same thing for Matajis. They also need a break, what Matajis conveyed. So Prabhuji can take children out for some time and give some time to Mataji to rest and relax. So we all need our corner sometimes, to think, to reflect and do nothing or whatever we like to do.
And then Matajis are fast. They want things to get
Instant,
done.
yeah.
Do this, and like what Prabhuji is saying, Prabhujis are not multitaskers, but they end up owning so many things. So this understanding should also be there. And whatever task comes to Prabhujis, they'll try to first understand, seeing everything as a problem. So what is the task at hand? How can I do it better? So with that, the slowness comes. Mataji is like, no, this has to be done.
Get the job
now.
done. That's
Get it done.
Priority, the priority selection is different in both genders.
Right.
Okay,
So
their
if we just
nature,
pause,
yeah,
slow
that
down,
is-
understand, talk it through, then things can be handled better.
So please remember this, our intentions are to help each other, to support each other, but we also need to understand our differences and the strength we bring in each other's life. Move
So
on.
communication is very important. So as we
That is
understood,
next,
we'll talk about that. But communication is important. Right? So men cannot be expected to know everything just without saying anything.
Yes. Happy home now. So now when we know intentions of each other and we have conveyed our strengths and weaknesses to each other, we can inculcate some habits for good relationship and having a happy home. Happy home means we need to have good habits. So what are those habits? First of all, we need to learn to differentiate between real life and real life. Normally, this goes with Mataji's thinking that whatever we have seen in movies or serials or we have heard or seen in our families, we expect all that from Prabhuji. You should be superhero and married happily ever after and all those things. That is not practical. That is just a myth. In material world, nobody can be happily ever after. We will always face challenges and problems. So we need to learn to differentiate between real life and real life.
Not see them as somebody else. We should not pretend to somebody else. Be who we are. Understand that there are challenges in life. How we can face them together. That's where happiness will start. Not now he's there. He will get me so many things. Whatever. And there should not be any. You said that out already. Heart. Reveal your heart.
So it's very important to be honest to each other. We already shared our weaknesses and all. He's not a superhero. And same thing, Matajis are not like, they should be, Sarva Guna Sampan. Everybody is not perfect. Nobody is perfect here. Yeah. So no one is perfect here. We have our weaknesses. So don't compare them to the models or the wives you have seen in serials and movies. We have to be practical. She has her own good and bad points, so we have to pay attention to that. And that is a key for good relationship. We have to be very honest. We should not have multi-layers upon us. Don't be hypocrites. Be very honest. I am like this, and okay, she also conveys I am like this. But they both are very honest to each other. That only can bring happiness in the home.
So yeah, don't compare again. Like Prabhuji gives such good class. Why are you not doing? Prabhuji said Mataji cooks so wonderful, sings so nice. So no comparison. Everybody is an individual, brings their own qualities. So we need to understand that. And constructive discussion for resolving issues. So again, arguments should not be with the purpose of winning it. Right? We need to have a constructive discussion. That is what is more important. One who understands that and gives importance to the relationship, that is the winning moment, not winning an argument. Right? And then,
So yeah, whenever there is some problem, in anger we should not try to resolve that. Because in anger we cannot take the rational, logical decision, right decision. So we should take a break and we can start chanting or whatever way helps you to calm down, drink water, take a break, and when you are calm, then only we should try to have discussion. That will be then constructive. Otherwise it can be more destructive. Because in anger we should avoid resolving some issues.
and for that we should be happy internally, strong to give to the relationship. So give time for self-care, right? So whatever hobbies we have, we can try to practice those hobbies, right? Like playing sports, working out in gym. That also, builds on to our health. Participating in any other hobbies like cooking, singing, reading. All these things we should try to give time to ourselves also.
So we should not think that taking care of ourselves is being selfish. There is difference between being selfish and self-care. If we are not happy, if our happiness quotient is not good, we cannot bring happiness to the people around us. So whatever makes us happy, alone time what we talked about, in that time we can do something. We have Matajis here who are very good in baking, cooking, embroidery, stitching, whatever gives you happiness. And again, Prabhuji's, if they want to watch some sport, play some sport, it's okay. If that brings you happiness quotient, that is self-care. You want to go around for a walk with your friends, she wants to go out, so we can always do that. Gardening, whatever gives you some happiness, we should always do that. So self-care is very, very important. We should not ignore that.
But watch out for the time, right? We should not be wasting our time from the key responsibilities. We should be Krishna conscious, and keeping that in mind, also partake in some of our hobbies, so that overall, the balance is there.
Yeah, and not self-care or hobbies don't mean that we indulge for pleasure in some wrong habits. This gives me pleasure, so I will do this. No, you have to keep that in mind. And self-care also requires some sacrifice, right? And wherever there is sacrifice, we get some reward for that.
And then developing a positive emotional bank balance. So this is very important. What we should invest in good exchanges, good understanding, develop a strong emotional account, right? So when things go wrong, then that account can be leveraged. So if something goes wrong, the other partner will understand that, okay, this can be ignored. This is not what one meant. So that's what we mean about this, right? So when something happens, just saying sorry will not be enough. If you keep saying sorry again, then it does not give any meaning. So after saying sorry, we should also so when something happens, it's like we're taking out from that account and we have to replenish it back again. So after saying sorry, we should like, okay, what can I do to make this thing better? Right? So like that, adding it back to the account, and that's.
Yeah, so like if we have a good positive account, like we do for each other a lot, in some time of help or need or appreciating, praising, whatever way, it's like depositing in the account. And then if sometimes we say some harsh word or some negative word, that means you have withdrawn just 1 coin out of maybe 100 or 1000. So that will not create a deficit, that will not create much problem. But if you have done only 5 times of positive thing and you take 1 coin out of that, it's really going to affect our relationship. Okay, so we have to always try to be positive in that. This is positive emotional bank balance. Because whenever then he has not understood us or misunderstood or not appreciated us, we will recall, that time he did. Just one time he didn't do it, so we don't get affected much about that. So we have to make sure that we keep adding in our positive account. And His Holiness Bhakti Tirtha Swami Maharaj has also said that it's very important to cultivate the attitude of gratitude. So if we have the attitude of gratitude, we can very easily keep adding in this bank. Our account will be always full, and if we have anything less than 5, then it's in danger. How much time? We can next one.
Yeah, 5-10
One more.
minutes.
Huh? Prabhuji, we can continue.
Question and answer.
Yeah, nothing.
10:15.
Maybe we need to talk something. 10:15 is the question answer session. SBFC.
Yeah.
Anyway, we would need one session because there are A, B, H, A reasons, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
THA.
in the later part we are don't have much to talk, but yeah, affectionate care we need to convey. We want to hear from you how you want and expect all that. Spiritual guidance again we will try to see when to seek warning and then how our spiritual guides help us. You know, they give us some tips about communication techniques and everything. So we have to discuss all that. So we can pause for today. Any questions? Yes. Huh?
You just talked about gratitude.
Yes.
Husband and wife and parents and children and all. There will be normally a line of like we take it for granted. So what is that line? Till where should draw that line? After some time should be done. Should be gratitude. Should be gratitude of which should we take things for granted. There is always a problem with taking things for granted. Between couples or between parents and children. Always between this close relations, this is the problem.
So that's what Prabhuji, we were doing that exercise. I think you missed some part of it. Yeah. So the intention is key, Prabhuji. We should not take anybody's activities for granted. There are, every individual is different and they bring their roles and responsibilities to the table. Right? So we should understand the intention behind that. The intention is common, but the activities, the duties, those are different. So when we understand the difference, again, materially different, but spiritually there is a commonality. So with that, when we are having a common goal and the intention is one, then things can align and we can manage it better.
Attitude of gratitude is very, very important. As I said, it's quoted by Jonas Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. So taking things for granted doesn't help us much. Though our regular duties, it's not that every day we have to tell our wife that it's good you woke up early, it's good you gave birth to the children, it's good you fed the children prashadam. Every time we cannot do that, so that is we can take for granted. But whenever they are putting some extra effort, or once in a while we see that how much they are doing for us. So genuinely we have to express our gratitude. That word of appreciation and all that in affectionate care we will cover that up in detail. So. Both the sides. Both the sides. Everything is both the sides. It's not just one. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजेगी. So दोनों sides से both of them have to be open also to understand where we lack and where we have to correct ourselves. So word of appreciation is very, very important. That's the first point we are covering it up here.
So other point, Mataji, you talked about the last one, like bank balance. So why is that mind? Why it stays there? It's basically the strength. Bank balance, deposit actually individual strength.
Yeah, it's not
It's a
any piggy bank.
spiritual bank balance. Yes.
Spiritual bank
The
balance.
piggy bank, but yeah, it's not.
So that is bad, like how, because when there is an argument, people forget that account, right? So why is that account? How do you keep that?
So when we say where is it, that means it's not there yet. We need to invest into that. So the moment we start, and that's how we're leading into the subsequent slides. Not picking on you, Prabhuji, we all have that. We need to open that account and start investing. So that means strengthening the relationship. And through these appreciative words, through our actions, when we keep doing that, when we keep caring for the other, not just always pointing out the missing things, then it starts building. And it's over time. It's not open an account.
Yeah, we can't see it physically, piggy bank, how many chits we write down, or today I did this. Every time we do something and we just keep depositing in that. It's not like that. But as you said, emotionally it makes us stronger and dependent upon each other and satisfied. So wife emotionally is satisfied by husband's acts and words. So whenever once in a while if he points out something wrong, it naturally Prabhuji will affect her less for a lesser duration. As you said, ekdam se ho sakta hai, she loses her cool, but she will recall that no, this is one time. That day he did this, that day he did this. He is not like that. I cannot be judgmental that you are always like this. वो statement नहीं होगा. You never understand. And that really helps us in coming closer and moving towards Krishna.
Recently or what, like appreciating and acting, because I have seen my seniors, fathers, grandfathers, parents, never, husband and wife, never, this kind of conversations I never heard. She was doing her duty, he was doing his duty, and they used to have minimum conversation. That's what I have noticed. And very strong bond. Nobody can break that bond. Of late, these things, kind of things I'm hearing of late actually.
Yes.
Recent times only, various counseling sessions, I hear in these corporate trainings also, these kind of things. Why it is becoming necessary? Because when we see our seniors, there is never such a thing, at least I did not notice. Or they used to do inside a room, we don't know, at least not in front of us.
At least, yeah, Prabhuji. Because that time, first of all, with time, things are getting worse. We are becoming weaker emotionally. We need more support. So we cannot compare. We had one point that no comparison, with each other or with our parents, with our forefathers. Our parents were not as good as their parents, So it's deteriorating definitely as Kali Yuga is progressing. And that time, the appreciation would come from the family also. They would live in a bigger family. So, ye daughter-in-law is very good, or she's very good, she's does so good. So they would get to hear that appreciating words from the family also. From sister-in-law, from mother-in-law, from sister, from aunt, from somebody. But now because only two of us are together, we expect everything from each other. So that is also very important. We need to understand that now, and we discussed also, we should not expect, Prabhujis to become our female friends. They don't have that nature. Earlier, these issues were not there because they had the female friends. They could do all their talks and reveal their heart to somebody. So they didn't have to trouble Prabhuji for that. But now Prabhuji has to play that role also. Mataji is revealing the heart. He has to listen and say that I understand. I know what you are going through. You are doing so much. You are doing very good. If they say this much, it is resolved. We discussed all this. I think you were not there that time. But yes, Prabhuji, two things. That first is, as the time is progressing, Kali Yuga is progressing, things are getting worse, and we cannot keep comparing to the older days, how it was that time. Now Matajis are working, that time Matajis were working maybe at home only, or in the field or wherever, not stepping out of the house much. And the second thing, now we don't have many people around us to hear these positive words. So Prabhuji has to do that, and again for Prabhuji is also Mataji has to do that. Both of them need appreciation. Don't you think you need to be appreciated sometimes? Huh? You need that. Yes. So it is for both the sides. Earlier they could say, "बहुत अच्छा बेटा है, कितना कर रहा है?" कोई भी बोल देगा society में. But these days our neighbors also don't know much about us. So whatever we expect from each other. So we have to keep that in mind, Prabhuji. Yeah, that is true. Earlier it wasn't there.
That's what when we started, no? The Vedic culture is so good. The system is perfect. But over time we are just degrading. The sacrifice, compromise, all those things are going away. It's all about me. So we're trying to go back to make a U-turn and go back to the original system.
So at the time of marriage, this 7 vachan and 4 vachans are there, right?
Yes.
Did we go through that?
Yes.
Yes. Prabhuji did a recap for all the 7 vows. Yeah, 7 vows we had. In our last
Both
session,
side, I
again.
think.
Huh?
7 vows, I mean, Kanya asked for Varpaksh, and then 4 vows from Varun asked from Kanya.
Yeah, it's
Both are there.
similar. Similar. What we did was like Kanya asking Var, you do this, you do this, you do this.
Four,
Somewhere, yeah. Then the boy comes in front. At some places it is like that. Somewhere it is only girl asks. Yeah, Parvati and Shiva. It was like Parvati is asking Shiva. Like that. So, but it is mutual. Whatever she's asking, Prabhuji also has to ask.
So in our side is the 7 from Kanya side, 4 from Var
3
side.
and 4.
4. So that is very comprehensive.
Anything from Mataji's side? You want to share something? You want to add on? Ask your realizations? Anything? Madhumati Mataji, you want to add on something?
घर पे जाके बताऊँ.
Yes, Prabhu. Hi.
I'm attending this first time. I missed the earlier sessions actually. So my question is about this, like it's always good to see that both husband wife both are in Krishna consciousness and both are progressing well. That is the what the objective is actually. But what if one is like working, like he's trying to progress, and one partner is not actually interested. Even though it's all about all these things, like everything is manageable, but maybe one person is not interested or inclined to be progress or spiritually they are not interested and all, just pushing. So what's the practical tips maybe you can, if you can give some?
Yeah. Somebody want to repeat that, Prabhuji? You want to repeat that? We had this discussion last time also. If one of the partner is not spiritually inclined, or anybody in our family is not spiritually inclined, how do we handle that case? Should we push them or should we be patient? Yeah.
Yeah, I think like small like Yugal Kishore Prabhuji like said responded to that, like push or force is the last thing we can do. And yeah, I think we should like be focused more on our sadhana, like do our sadhana properly. Like Mataji also responded, like you can give them like prasadam and like pray to God. Like prayers can help a lot in those cases. Yes, Mataji, yeah, that's it.
Yeah. So pushing is the last resort, Prabhuji, because the love doesn't come by force. Even Krishna doesn't push us. He has given us the free will, a free choice. So we should not definitely push our partner. First of all, we decided discussed in our very first session whom to choose, our partner. How to choose, whom to choose and all that, what all we have to keep in consideration. So spiritually inclined person has to be preferred definitely. A devotee has to be preferred, but due to any reason, family reasons, caste or parents are really adamant about something, if you go ahead, we have to give time to our partner, and we have to be really sincere and serious in what we are doing, and we have to be rather more loving and caring towards our partner and win her heart. No, it's about winning her on this side, not pushing her or pulling her on this side. That will not help. That will break down and give her good time and caring, as a service to Krishna. It's not that not giving her enough time, not understanding her needs, her desires, because she doesn't have any inclination towards this side. She has come totally with, the conditioning of fulfilling her desires, and she expects you to do all that. So you can do that step by step, keeping Krishna in the center. That Krishna, you have brought her in my life, and I am doing it as a service to you. As a service to you, I am doing it. So superficially, it will look like she will think that you are giving her time. You are taking her out for shopping, for some trip or wherever. But Krishna knows that you are doing it as a service because you want to win that person's heart and bring her in devotional life. Okay. So be loving, kind, caring. Everything is devotional service then.
It should not be that we reject whatever the other activities are being done. As a service, see that.
It happened actually. So when we wanted, and sometimes it's like some aggression is there actually. Some friction is happening.
Yeah.
With
So
that,
we should not compare and whatever you're doing is not right and this is only the best path. This you have to do. No. You also join the partner in the activities and then help them elevate through example.
because nobody will have good time always. Whenever she will have bad time, she will learn from you by example. How did you handle that and how you got strength from this? How chanting helps you in bad times. So she will definitely take a resort to all these principles and activities. What you say that she becomes frustrated, I saw him. So, that will push her away. Instead of helping her, we are just pushing her away. If we become aggressive and we demean her, that you are not doing what you're supposed to do, and just we start preaching straight away, you are wasting your time, your life, and you're not intelligent enough. So that will just push her away from Krishna. We don't have to do that. No, we have to be intelligent to understand how we have to bring our partner closer to Krishna. We have many couples in our congregation also where Prabhuji was very, very serious. Matajis were not devotees before marriage, but Prabhuji very intelligently, have taken care of them, and now Matajis are very sincere devotees. So there has to be some sacrifice, but that sacrifice we need to understand is for pleasure of Krishna, engaging another soul in his service. So definitely they will help us then. Thank you. Matajis didn't ask any question. Last, Matajis have any question? Last time. Huh? We are out of time now. No.
Have everything sorted out. So.
Yeah, they are very good understanding. We are very understanding.
Acting.
You're also here today. All glories to the assembled devotees.
Hare Krishna, sorry, Mataji, sorry. I'm the bad guy. I treat her. There is a nice conversation going on. So, and at least myself here. So I came with the thought that I have everything sorted out.